Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about multi-threading in C++. We'll explore the fundamentals of concurrency and synchronization. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. First, let's understand what multi-threading is. In simple terms, it's a way of executing multiple sequences of instructions or threads in parallel to make our programs more efficient. Let's start with creating threads in C++. Here's a simple example of creating a new thread that executes a function. In this example, we create a thread that runs the function. The join function is used to wait for the thread to finish execution. Now let's discuss synchronization. It's a way to coordinate the execution of threads to prevent conflicts. Here's a simple example of using std mutex to protect shared data from simultaneous access. Alright, so in this example, we have two threads trying to print characters to the console. We use a mutex to synchronize their access to the console, preventing them from writing at the same time and causing a mess. Alright, and that's going to be our brief introduction to multi-threading, concurrency, and synchronization in C++. Multi-threading is a powerful tool in C++, and mastering it can help you write faster and more efficient software. Alright, if you guys found this helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.